So I was watching this Mr. Pete video, and he had this Hardinge lathe that had the 4-to-1 ratio, and it got me really, really, really thinking about dividing heads and so on. And I'm not saying I bought it for this reason, but it was just a great reason. But he had in this list a formula to do plates and different plates, and I'll link to this, and it's just amazing. I love Mr. P. He's so good. So he gave me this formula, and I have a dividing plate. I don't have any of these 4 dividing plates that he's talking about here. So I had 3 dividing plates that I had that are 20, 21, and 23, and I wanted to know what kind of divisions I could make with it. So I'm a Excel kind of guy. Put it in, how many ratios to divisions, got the division ratio, got the degrees, and then this is a plate I have, and then these are the plates that he has that I don't have. And what I was able to do with this great tutorial online was hash out, what plates I can actually use, and how ludicrous one could be with that. So, with the factory plates, you can do a division of 192 divisions, and luckily this is at a 4-to-1 ratio. But I suppose if you had a 40-to-1 machine, you could do all of these. Your ways of doing things would be, you'd have many, many, many more ways of doing it, and your granularity would be much, much higher. But I would never do 200 divisions in my application, so I'm going to drop that down to a 4-to-1 ratio. So these are the plates I have, and with the plates that I have, and based on Mr. Pete's shop math tutorial, is able to get I can do a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can't do 9 unless you get a 18 plate. 10, 7, 12, 14, 15, 20, 21, 23, obviously, because those are the numbers of the plates. 28 you can do, and it shows you how many holes that you can do. So it was very interesting, quick little study on how things can be, how things can actually be split up, based on, just doing some simple shop math. Excel. I hope they teach it in like grade 4 moving forward.